Everyone loves the natural beauty of wood. CUTEK exterior wood oils have been proven for over 30 years to powerfully protect wood, whilst highlighting and enhancing its natural grain and colour. CUTEK oils diffuse deeply into the wood with a novel, self-healing effect to repel moisture, maintain structural integrity, and ensure the longest possible service life. Here is how it works. Moisture is the enemy of wood, and in damp or rainy conditions, moisture gets in, causing swelling. When the wood dries, it shrinks. With every wet and dry cycle, this process is repeated. Over time, this causes it to cup, split, warp, and rot. Traditional varnish and natural oil penetrating type coatings work by forming a protective film on the surface of the wood. These coatings may look shiny and impressive, but they don't stay that way for long. UV rays and wood movement will quickly break down this film, causing it to peel or degrade. This allows water to get into the wood, and the whole cycle of shrinking and swelling starts again. You are left with costly, time-consuming maintenance to sand and strip the old coating away, then reapply. CUTEK oils are different. CUTEK dramatically reduces the ability of moisture to damage the wood by protecting it from the inside out. It works by staying permanently mobile inside the wood, actively driving out moisture with a self-healing effect. When CUTEK coated wood is cut or perforated with fasteners, the oil inside the wood migrates to the newly exposed area, automatically sealing it against the damaging effects of moisture. Other oil-type products claim to protect against moisture. However, they are not self-healing and allow damaging moisture into the wood once the surface is degraded, cut or perforated with fasteners. Use CUTEK clear oil for a natural light appearance that will gradually silver over time, or use a CUTEK Colourtone to help maintain the original colour of your wood. Protect your capital investment with easy, regular maintenance. Easy to use, easy to maintain, beautiful to look at. Experience the CUTEK difference.